Hello students, welcome to the online class of today's topic. So today we need to solve the ninth problem in dissolution of a partnership firm. The following is a balance sheet of Neha, Nisha, Nikki who share profits and loss in the proportion of 1/2, 1/3, 1/6. So the PL ratio is 1/2, 1/3, 1/6. This is called as old ratio. You can convert this into 3:2:1. As instructed in retirement of a partner and death of a partner, better you convert 1/2, 1/3, 1/6 as 3:2:1. They dissolved their firm on 31/3/18. Mark in the question please. Creditor external. Creditors payable is external liability. Bills payable external liability. Then we have capital account of Neha, Nisha, Nikki. It's called balance brought down. Kindly mark these as balance brought down. Then we have PL account, AP in OR. Distribute profit and loss to all partners in old ratio. Cash, put an into mark for cash. Cash should not be transferred to realization account. Cash will be transferred to cash account as to balance brought down. Transfer debtor, stock, furniture and motor van. Regarding debtor, what to do? To debtor 8,000 by PBD 400. 8,000 to be transferred to debit side of realization account. 400 to be transferred to credit side of realization account. To debtor 8,000 by PBD 400. The details available are assets realized as follows. All four assets are realized. Debtor 10,800, stock 16,000, furniture 6,000, motor van 45,000. Creditors and BP were paid in full. Full means creditor paid 12,000, BP paid 13,000. There was an outstanding bill for repair which has to be paid for rupees 200. That means along with creditor and BP, repair 200 is also paid. Then adr jotege creditor jotege BP jotege 200 ರೂಪಾಯಿ repair bill pay ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Expenses of realization amounted to rupees 600. So totally 4 payments we need to make. Payment number 1 creditor payable, number 2 BP, number 3 repair, number 4 realization expenses. So students, step number 1, transfer all assets from asset side of the balance sheet to debit side of realization account. To debtor 8,000 by PBD 400. This is the procedure how you need to record. To debtor 8,000 by provision for bad debts 400. Then to stock, to furniture, to motor van. So step number 1, you get 65,400. Transfer external liability from liability side of the balance sheet to credit side of realization account by creditor by BP. So total of all the three including PBD we get 25,400. Next, assets realized will come in debit side to credit side. Whatever assets we have, 4 assets, these 4 assets are sold under the heading cash. So what are the assets realized in adjustment number 1? Debtor 10,800, stock 16,000, furniture 6,000, motor van 45,000. So total step number 3, 77,800. Step number 4, liabilities paid will be recorded in debit side of realization account under the head cash. Totally 4 payments are being made. Creditors paid in full 12,000, same 12,000. Bills payable we paid 13,000. Outstanding bill, repair bill and realization expenses. So total step number 4, 25,800. So therefore you get a profit of 12,000. Distribute 12,000 to all the three partners in 3:2:1, or you can distribute 12,000 in 1/2, 1/3, 1/6. You get same answer. So you get a realization profit 12,000. Next, all partners capital account. There are totally 5 items to be recorded in all partners capital account. By balance brought down, by GRRFPL, by realization profit, liabilities taken over, assets taken over. So in our problem, no partner has taken over asset, no partner has taken over liability. So we call by balance brought down, bring down the capital balance of all the three partners. We don't have GR and RF. So by PL account distribute to all partners in old ratio. Then realization profit. So final answer you get 29,000, 21,000, 13,000. Next, last you need to prepare cash account. Receipt side first to balance brought down 11,000. Next to realization account, this is assets realized or assets sold, one receipt and one payment liabilities paid, then all the three partners capital account. So thereby cash account total comes to 88,600.